Hi everyone! Today we'll talk about Webpage reference in APA 7th edition format. First, invert all individual authors' names. Add a comma after the surname and then write given names in initials. If the webpage has a group author, use the name of the group or organization as the author. Add a period. Following that, provide the publication year, a comma, the month, and the date in parentheses. Then, add a period. Afterwards, include the title of the webpage in italics, followed by a period. Then, write the website name without italics and add a period, but omit the website name if it is the same as the author's name. Finally, include the URL. Also, include a retrieval date when the page's content is likely to change over time. Here are more examples of webpage reference. Check out the ELSS website for more resources, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.